We went to our wedding on a 53 bus. Halfway there, I remember we didn't have no cutlery in our bedsits, so we jumped off running Woolworths and we bought 2 knives, 2 forks, 2 plates, 2 bowls, 2 cups, and the 1 spoon they had left. Jumped back on the bus, went and got married. Afterwards, on the way to the pub, I bought a cake from Marks. I hid it from everyone at the reception till we got back home. We could split it between us. We shared our spoon and he lit a candle. To glimpse a future in someone's face is a fantastic thing. And then he went out and celebrated with his mates. He never come back till the next morning. And we both knew the future was over.